We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the 6Pcs Fidget Toys set from Vipctery. This pack includes 6 different fidget toys designed to help relieve stress and anxiety while keeping hands and minds occupied. It is marketed for adults, teens, and kids, especially those with ADHD, autism, or anyone who benefits from sensory stimulation. The set contains a variety of styles including magnetic rings, spring-like rings, a finger trap with a marble, a chain-like rotating piece, and a classic fidget spinner made of durable metal rather than plastic. The toys are compact and portable, making them suitable for use at home, office, school, or travel. Users generally praise the quality and durability of the set. Many appreciate the solid construction of the fidget spinner, which spins smoothly and is made of metal, providing a satisfying tactile experience. The variety of toys caters to different preferences, with some users favoring the spinner and others enjoying the rings that rotate around each other. The set has been noted to help improve focus and finger dexterity, making it a useful tool for students and professionals alike. It also serves as a calming device that can reduce habits like nail biting, knuckle cracking, or leg shaking. Some reviewers mentioned that the magnetic rings included in the set have weak magnets, which can cause them to fly apart and get lost easily. Despite this, the other toys in the set are well received and considered worth the price. One particular toy made from 2 keychain rings initially seemed less appealing, but grew on users as they learned how to use it quietly and effectively. The overall consensus is that the set offers a good balance of fun and function, with each toy providing a different sensory experience. The fidget toys are made from non-toxic, durable materials that meet international toy safety standards, which provides peace of mind for parents and users. The size of the toys is convenient for carrying in pockets, and they are quiet enough to use in classrooms or offices without causing distractions. This makes them ideal for people who need to keep their hands busy to maintain concentration or calmness. However, some users found the set to be somewhat cheap in feel and would not purchase it again, indicating that expectations of quality may vary. The toys are generally recommended for ages 8 and up, and some parents note that younger children might not find them suitable. The set also makes a thoughtful gift for various occasions such as birthdays, holidays, or as motivational prizes in classrooms. In summary, the 6Pcs Fidget Toys set from Vipctery is a versatile collection of sensory gadgets that help with stress relief, focus, and fine motor skills. It offers a range of fidgeting options in a portable format, suitable for a wide audience including adults, teens, and children with sensory needs. While the magnetic components could be improved, the overall quality and variety make it a worthwhile purchase for those looking to manage anxiety or improve concentration. We encourage viewers who own this product to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.